The laptop market is always evolving. Today, consumers want more than just a traditional laptop. They want versatility. They want a device that can adapt to their needs. This is where two-in-one laptops come in. These devices offer the best of both worlds, the functionality of a laptop and the portability of a tablet. The market is flooded with options, but one laptop stands out from the crowd, the HP Envy x360 14 2025. The demand for two-in-one laptops is higher than ever. People are looking for devices that can keep up with their busy lives. Whether it's for work, school, or entertainment, a two-in-one laptop offers the flexibility and convenience that traditional laptops simply cannot match. The HP Envy x360 14 2025 is a premium two-in-one laptop designed for the modern user. It embodies style and substance. The sleek design is eye-catching, but don't let the looks fool you. This laptop packs a punch in terms of performance. With a starting price of 1,20,000 rupees, the Envy x360 14 offers a premium experience without breaking the bank. This laptop is not just about looks, it is built for performance. It can handle demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're a professional, a student, or a casual user, the Envy x360 14 is a reliable companion. It caters to a wide range of users. HP has a winner on their hands with this model. At the heart of the HP Envy x360 14 2025 lies the powerful Intel Core Ultra 7 processor. This processor ensures smooth and efficient performance. Multitasking is a breeze. Demanding applications run without a hitch. Coupled with 16 gigabytes of RAM, this laptop can handle anything you throw at it. From heavy multitasking to creative workloads, the Envy x360 14 doesn't break a sweat. Storage is also taken care of with a spacious 1TB SSD. This means faster boot times, quicker application loading, and ample space for all your files. The Envy x360 14 is designed for speed and efficiency. It ensures a seamless user experience. HP has cut no corners in ensuring top-notch performance. The HP Envy x360 14 2025 boasts a stunning 14-inch 2K touchscreen display. This is not just any ordinary screen, it is bright, vibrant, and incredibly sharp. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or simply browsing the web, the display quality is truly immersive. The colors are vibrant, the text is sharp, the visuals are a treat for the eyes. The touchscreen is incredibly responsive. It makes navigating the Windows 11 operating system a breeze. You can tap, swipe, and pinch to zoom with precision. The touch functionality enhances the overall user experience. It makes the laptop more intuitive to use. The display is definitely one of the highlights of the Envy x360 14. Section 5. Flexibility at its finest. The 360-degree hinge. True to its two-in-one nature, the HP Envy x360 14 2025 features a sturdy 360-degree hinge. This allows the laptop to seamlessly transition between different modes. Whether you prefer the traditional laptop mode, the tablet mode for note-taking, or the tent mode for presentations, the Envy x360 14 adapts to your needs. The hinge is smooth and durable. It holds the screen firmly in place in every mode. This versatility is one of the key selling points of this laptop. It is designed for the modern user who is always on the go. The different modes make it adaptable to various situations. The 360-degree hinge is not just a gimmick, it is a testament to the laptop's well-thought-out design. Section 6. Pros. What makes the Envy x360 shine? The HP Envy x360 14 2025 has a lot to offer. Let's summarize its strengths. Powerful performance. The Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, coupled with 16 gigabytes of RAM, delivers a smooth and lag-free experience. Whether you're multitasking with multiple applications or running demanding software, this laptop handles it all with ease. Versatile two-in-one design. The 360-degree hinge allows for seamless transitions between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes. This flexibility makes it perfect for any situation, whether you're working, presenting, or just relaxing with some entertainment. Stunning 2K touchscreen display. The 14-inch 2K touchscreen display offers vibrant colors, sharp details, and responsive touch functionality. It's ideal for creative professionals who need accurate color representation and for anyone who enjoys high-quality visuals. Long battery life. Users can expect up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge, making it ideal for work and entertainment on the go. No need to worry about finding a power outlet during your busy day. Premium build quality. The Envy X360 is crafted from high-quality materials, giving it a premium look and feel. The sleek metal chassis not only looks great but also adds durability, ensuring it can withstand daily use. These are just some of the reasons why the Envy X360 stands out in the crowded market of two-in-one laptops. Its combination of performance, versatility, and design makes it a top choice for professionals and casual users alike. It ticks all the right boxes. From its powerful internals to its flexible design, it meets the needs of a wide range of users. It offers a blend of performance, versatility, and style. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves great tech, the HP Envy X360 is designed to impress. Section 7 Cons Areas for Potential Improvement. While the HP Envy X360 2025 excels in many areas, there are a few areas where HP could consider improvements. Occasional software glitches. Some users have reported occasional software glitches, particularly with the touchscreen drivers. These glitches can sometimes disrupt the user experience, causing frustration during important tasks. HP can address this with software updates. Regular updates and patches can help mitigate these issues and ensure a smoother experience for users. Limited backlight customization. The keyboard backlight offers limited customization options. Users who prefer a more personalized setup might find this lacking. Expanding these options would enhance the user experience, allowing for more flexibility in different lighting conditions. Starting at 1,20,000 rupees, the Envy X360 is not exactly budget-friendly. This price point might be a barrier for some potential buyers. A more competitive price point could attract a wider audience, making this versatile laptop accessible to more people. Despite these minor drawbacks, the HP Envy X360 remains a strong contender in the two-in-one laptop market. Its versatility and performance make it a popular choice. HP can address these issues in future iterations. Listening to user feedback and making necessary adjustments will only strengthen their product line. Overall, the pros outweigh the cons by a considerable margin, making the HP Envy X360 a recommended choice for many users. Section 8. User Scenarios, Versatility in Action. Let's imagine some real-world scenarios where the HP Envy X360 2025 truly shines. This device is designed to adapt to your needs no matter where you are or what you're doing. The busy student. A college student can use the Envy X360 to take notes in class using the tablet mode, making it easy to jot down ideas and diagrams during lectures. They can switch to laptop mode to work on assignments, research papers, and group projects efficiently, whether they're in the library or a bustling cafe. And when it's time to relax, the tent mode is perfect for watching movies or streaming shows, providing an immersive entertainment experience. The creative professional. A graphic designer can use the Stylus to sketch ideas on the go, capturing inspiration whenever it strikes. They can edit photos with precision using the 2K touchscreen, ensuring every detail is perfect for their projects. And when it's time to present their work to clients, the tablet mode offers a sleek and professional way to showcase their designs. The on-the-go business person. A business traveler can use the Envy X360 for presentations during meetings, making a strong impression with its clear and vibrant display. They can take notes using the Stylus, capturing important points and ideas quickly and efficiently, and work on documents during flights thanks to its long battery life, ensuring productivity even at 30,000 feet. These scenarios highlight the versatility of the Envy X360. It's not just a laptop, it's a tool that adapts to your lifestyle. It is a laptop designed for the modern user who wears multiple hats, seamlessly transitioning between roles and tasks. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, the Envy X360 is built to keep up with your dynamic lifestyle and diverse needs. The Envy X360 is your reliable companion, ready to tackle any challenge you throw its way, no matter where life takes you. Section 9 Conclusion. The HP Envy X360 a cut above. The HP Envy X360 2025 is a testament to HP's commitment to innovation and design. It is a laptop that excels in all the right areas. From its powerful performance to its versatile 2-in-1 design and stunning display, the Envy X360 checks all the boxes for a premium laptop experience. While it has minor areas for improvement, the pros far outweigh the cons. If you're in the market for a premium 2-in-1 laptop that seamlessly blends power, portability, and style, the HP Envy X360 2025 deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's a laptop that's not just designed to impress but to empower users in every aspect of their digital lives.